Two-way tables and multi-column histograms are a way that we can store a lot of information in a small table, and the user can read off various information, perform various calculations, which they'd like to do. This is an example of a two-way table looking at gender and whether someone uses the gym or not. From this table, we can answer three different types of questions. The first one, what is the percentage of male gym users in the class? So whenever we're trying to find one of these percentages, we need to find what's the total going to be. So in the first question, we're looking at all the people in the class. So we're looking at the 15 people in the class and seeing what percentage of these are male gym users. And then converting that into a percentage. End up with 13.33%. Okay, so in that example, the total was the whole class. Having a look at question 2, which percentage of males use the gym? So my total is the males. So my total is 7. So I'm really looking along this row. Which percentage of these males, so which percentage of these 7 males use the gym? Well, 2 of the 7 males use the gym. And I can convert that into a percentage. Okay, so the most difficult part of these questions is figuring out what's the total. We're looking at all the males and then seeing which of those males use the gym. The final type of question we can answer, what percentage of gym users are males? So in this scenario, we're looking at the gym users. Our total will be 3. Which percentages of those are male? Well, 2/3 of them are male, and I can convert that into a percentage. Okay, so always be really sure about what the total is before you do any calculations. We can also make a multi-column histogram to show this information graphically. So we just need to decide whether we're more interested in whether the person's a gym user or whether they're a male, and we can draw these multi-column histograms. In these multi-column histograms, you can decide what you're trying to highlight. Maybe I want to highlight to the reader the number of people that use the gym and don't use the gym, in which case I'd make those my horizontal labels. Alternatively, I could show in this diagram the differences between males and females in terms of attending and not attending, so the percentage that attend. So in this second graph, I can see that the number of males that are attending as a proportion of the total number of males is bigger than the females. So we can read different things into these graphs, and it gives us two different pictures of the data as well. Here's a few questions to practice, filling in tables, and in some of these you might need to add, well, you probably will need to add total columns to some of these tables so that you can complete the questions. Okay, so from here, I've got those questions. Good luck.